How can I receive PayPal payment by American Express credit card? When we talk about receiving PayPal payments with an American Express credit card, we're referring to accepting money into your PayPal account that was funded by someone else's Amex card. This is different from withdrawing your PayPal balance to your own Amex card, which PayPal does not support for personal accounts. To receive payments funded by an American Express card, first make sure your PayPal account is verified by linking a bank account or confirming your email and phone number. Next, go to your PayPal settings and navigate to the Money, Bank, and Cards section where you can add a credit or debit card to use for purchases, but remember that this is for spending, not receiving. The receiving part happens automatically when someone sends you money using their Amex card as their funding source. PayPal charges a standard fee for receiving payments funded by credit and debit cards, including American Express. The current rate in the United States is 2.99% plus a fixed fee of 49 cents for domestic transactions. For international payments funded by a credit card, the fee increases to 4.49% plus a fixed fee based on the currency received. When someone sends you a payment funded by their American Express card, the funds typically appear in your PayPal balance instantly or within a few minutes. However, if you withdraw those funds to your linked bank account, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. PayPal does not allow direct withdrawal from your PayPal balance to an American Express credit card. There are some important limits and restrictions to keep in mind. PayPal may place a hold on payments from new or unverified senders, especially those using credit cards, and this hold can last up to 21 days. Additionally, American Express cards used on PayPal may be subject to cash advance fees from the card issuer, which the sender would need to check with Amex directly. PayPal also has receiving limits on unverified accounts, so completing verification is essential. To maximize your experience, always verify your PayPal account fully to avoid holds and higher fees. Encourage your customers or clients to use PayPal's Friends and Family option when appropriate, though this only works with bank or PayPal balance funding, not credit cards. Consider upgrading to a PayPal business account if you receive payments frequently, as it offers tools like invoicing and chargeback protection. Finally, communicate clearly with anyone sending you money about potential fees their Amex card might trigger, so there are no surprises for either party.